me not being from the Philippines, it was really easy. They took care of pretty much everything, other than just a little bit of paperwork that we had to get done, right? And then it was awesome. It was really, well.
Maganda dito sa Shura, tapos convenience. Madali lang yung processing, tapos hindi siya hassle. I mean, hassle-free siya. Tapos, if gusto nyo ng mas magandang like wedding planner or wedding organizer, I prefer Shura.
Shura?
Alaga ka.